rooftop.
Was that a red light run up there? That white van?
View of Alcatraz.
Oh, wait, he just flat out ran.
Greater San Francisco.
Jeez. Hey, hello? See me? Barely been in Vegas for an hour and I'm already encountering bad drivers. Holy hustler. Look at this. Oh, jeez. Yeah. Thanks a lot. Exit regret. Look at this place. It's amazing. I've never been here before. I'm going to have fun today. Or this week.
Shot in its Benz. Absolutely not. License plate.
Yeah, turn signal would help.
I reminded when I went to pick Tommy up, his condo was more chaotic than I'd ever seen it. Among the bags of trash and clothing were piles of photos.
Yeah, nice cutoff in front of an Amazon truck.
Some of which had been scattered.
I hate that too. Yeah. It's like, like I'm not even want someone there who can who
Ran
really
through the
knows their
red.
shit, who's not good. Because
Sure.
like anyone who's
Tommy had told his publicity team to fill every seat in the theater. Okay, I thought.
Exit
let's
dive.
see if he did
Way
that.
up there.
Turn left onto West Sahara Avenue. In a quarter mile, use the left lane to turn left.
Wait, that ain't me. All the way across the lanes. Right turn lane dive. I think that was a Nissan driver, but I'm not sure. I wasn't paying attention. Sorry.
He refused, later telling me, if Sandy takes over, he has control.
Yep.
I
Right
know
turn
what
regret.
He does. He wants more money. Plus, I'm sorry, his house is me. Carolyn, too, was a pro. She never complained, did exactly as she was told, even if that included a scene in which her character
Right turn lane
announced that
dodge.
she had breast cancer
Or
with no
dive.
apparent
I
concern.
get my words mixed up.
And delivered, the ER nurse said, "What are you doing at your age, passing out in the heat?" Carolyn sighed.
Whoa!
So beautiful that he walked into a door and hit his head the first time he saw her. On
Red light run.
Valentine's Day, Tommy did the scene several times. No matter how badly he messed up his dialogue, he immediately headed over to Todd Barron and asked, "How'd these come out?" He wanted to watch playback after every take. It wasn't until one of the very last takes that Tommy
Left turn
noticed
lane
something
dodge.
none of us had.
Or dive.
Was the tiny
Why do I keep
pug
saying
dog
dodge?
sitting on the counter. Now came time to shoot the scene in which Johnny crosses the living room.
Red light
to set up
runner.
the phone tap tape recorder. When someone was dabbing in his face with a small foam cube covered in powder. Kyle held his ground.
Ah, left turn regret.
Tommy, I told you. At one moment, he can't believe a woman as saintly as Lisa would ever cheat. He calls her a sociopath.
No stop.
Watching Tommy perform this scene, I wonder
No,
what
stop.
a psychologist or Here's your problem. Graham grabbed a pink towel from the box at his feet.
Uh-oh,
and
whoa.
said, "Righteous
That was
fury."
one hell of a right turn
Tommy,
regret.
he said. Things, of course, hadn't quite panned out that way. My mom, on the other hand, couldn't figure out why, after doing a movie, I wasn't already a big star. She wondered how much more time
Really?
and effort
Toyo
that
turd.
start of the line was going to take.
And he got like that too.
So it was rare that he ever got that excited about anything that wasn't
Yep, left turn
Casablanca
regret.
or cinema parody. Before I could do the sensible thing and flee, Tommy's large
Ooh,
white
jeez.
peeked out from a gap in his black belt Spurgeon's office, and her driving a wooden stake into his heart popped into my mind.
Left turn lane dash.
I saw that he'd prepared a stack of tape course he'd purchased. I listened to the rough chalk of Tommy pressing the play button.
Really?
Then, you think it's good?
How do people not know what lane they want?
Tommy would repeat
Are you gonna move over
I
here?
think it's good.
No?
Do
Okay.
you?
You're not going in the video then.
Then another chalk. This time of the
Oh,
rewind
you do it
button
behind
pressed,
me! Damn
followed by
it!
A whirring sound. He told me tales about when he'd done In Cold Blood and Rod
Oh,
Serling's
wait, that-
Night Gallery.
Deliveries
And
only.
described
Great.
working with James
Oops.
Dean on his walk.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Invited me to take part in his class. The next morning, for the first time
Really?
since I'd come back to LA,
Speed limit 7. That's a very oddly specific number.
from the shelves. He touches the pictures.
No stop.
He sees something in them. Something he can't. With the death of Stalin, little by little,
No turn on red.
he changed. Well, the stress and frustration he was capable of sowing. Whenever pressed, I told her that my friend Tommy was back in town. But before
What
I
the
could explain
fuck?
more, she said, "Great."
I'm guessing the truck was on fire or what? Who knows? That's weird. Oh, yeah, the garbage caught on fire. Wow. Oh, you could smell it. Yuck.
About the perils of having friends at all, about trust, about fear.
Red light runs.
Time on it. Girls are so difficult. They spend long time.
Nice cutoff.
The remaining 3 hours were still and silent.
No stop.
Just a few more days, I kept thinking.
No stop.
Finally
Toyo
stopped
turd.
worrying about money for a while. And go back to focusing on what I carrier shot was a city view from a Sausalito harbor, located just over the Golden Gate
Really?
Bridge.
That's not a left turn
Not
lane.
barren, from a distance of 15 feet or so. How could Tommy have ever had
No
a real
stop.
job? Jolt armed her into extra duty. She's the woman browsing through gift cards in the finished film. It had been
Pedumstrian,
a couple
pedumstrian,
of
pedum
days.
dum 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 dumstrian. I knew I'll find one eventually. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there if this happens to be Connecticut. But it's not. Nevada does not have a no truck in the left lane law, so you're perfectly okay to be there. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I sure did. I was in fucking Las Vegas. But hey, I got some bad news. This video is over, but I do have good news. There's gonna be more Las Vegas footage coming soon. Yay! So I'll catch you then. So in the meantime, like, subscribe, share, and do all the fun stuff. Comment, do all that stuff. I'm having fun here, and I hope you had fun too. And I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye!